YouTube, what's happening with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Yeezy, your favorite country cousin, back again with another video review. Now you guys see it in the title and you see it sitting beside me, Desert Sage Yeezys. Now this was a particular Yeezy. I felt like this was an impulse buy. I don't know why I bought these. You know, looking at early pictures, I was like, yeah, I like these. This is a good colorway. But I think I said it in another video that Yeezy 350s, they are starting to get oversaturated. Like, too many colorways coming out. They starting to be like Jordan brand, man. We need something new. Like, I still love J's, don't get me wrong, but I'm trying to venture out into something different with Yeezys, and Yeezys ain't doing it for me no more. Like, the 350s, they just need to Kanye put them things in the vault, bro. But let's go ahead and take a look at this sneaker. Now, I gave y'all some B-roll earlier, and just looking at this sneaker, why is this sneaker doo-doo green? This is a dookie green sneaker with an orange lining. Like, I don't know, man. These, if you like it, I love it. In my opinion, these joints garbage. But y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. Definitely was an impulse buy for your boy. I don't know why I picked these up. This was a waste of money. But after I do the review, I'm probably gonna take these back. Y'all know I usually don't return stuff, but I'm gonna return these. I ain't even gonna put my feet in these. Like, it's different. Like, I don't know, you can pull it off with a lot of things as far as the wear, but I just feel like these right here were unnecessary for me anyway. This definitely was an impulse buy. But going ahead and going into the sneaker, like I said, you got your dookie green and you got your orange lining along the sock liner of that thing, man. The prime knit material, definitely unusual for Yeezys. You got your boost at your sole, all right. And I know this little stripe right here is supposed to be 3M. I don't know if y'all can see it from my shadow box light, but I know this is supposed to be 3M. So if it's showing up, y'all just let me know. If not, then oh well. This pair did come from Hibbets. I usually don't hit on stuff from Hibbets, but one of my homeboys in Greenwood, he picked these up for me. He was already up early that morning, so I just drove up there to go pick these things up. And I felt like I just pretty much wasted gas going to pick these up, man, because for some reason I can't hit on the Hibbets app no more. Like, I would win everything, and now I can't hit on nothing from Hibbets. And I shop at Hibbets. I like Hibbets. So Hibbets, City Gear, y'all let me know what's going on, man. Why I ain't hitting on nothing else? But I should have known that if these sat after 11 o'clock, usually when Hibbets let people buy the shoes, you know, the winners who didn't pick their shoes up, Hibbets will let people who wait in line go pick theirs up at 11. So I should have known if they still had these in stock that these weren't hitting on anything. But I'm not gonna do it on foot, because like I said, I'm finna go take these back, take them to Cola Kicks or somebody, get my money back. Like, I don't even know the resale value on them, so that's how much I don't care about the shoes. I'd just rather have my $235 back. I bet y'all like, damn, Goat, you cheap. But anyway, like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section below, did you hit? Were these on your list? And how do y'all feel about Yeezy 350s overall now? Like, I just feel like they're doing too much now. Like, Kanye just need to go back in the vault, man. Put the 350s in the vault, unless they coming back out with the semi-frozen. I need the semi-frozens back. Once I get them back, I'm pretty much done with the 350s. Like, 350s, they ain't got no more, nothing else to offer for me. But like I said, it's a clean sneaker. It just was an impulse buy for your boy. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. And like I say, always, I'm on the road to 3K, and we moving pretty good, man. I appreciate y'all support, man, for real. Like, y'all don't understand how that makes somebody like me feel. You know, I'm dirt road country boy, and subscriber numbers are going up. Like, I really appreciate y'all, man. If I'm not able to get the money back for these, if anybody want to buy these, y'all just let me know. Hit me up on IG, shoot me a DM or something saying you want them. I'm pretty sure these ain't hard to get. But anyway, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Yeezy. Sending y'all love, peace. Put some chicken grease on that thing. Out of here.